Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia Activite Steel watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Withings Healthmate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the app you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top right corner, and here you should see your watch on the list of my devices. Now tap on the settings icon or button. Here find the button called dissociate this product. Tap on it, tap on OK. Now we can close the app. Go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and in the Bluetooth settings check if you have the watch right here on the list of previously connected devices. It's not here, so we can move on, but if it was here, you can tap on the settings icon and tap on forget to remove it. Okay, the producer or rather the producer of this watch also, or manufacturer, also recommends to factory reset the watch after you unpair it. And to do it, you basically you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see the button right here. And all we need to do is to press it 5 times. So you need to grab some pin, and press the button 5 times, and after you press it a 5th time, the watch will vibrate twice instead of once, because for each press it will vibrate once, but at the 5th time it will vibrate twice, which means that the watch was reset to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.